Abstract vintage art. Trending wallpapers 2023. Discover the latest wallpaper trends. Interior designing has evolved past the conventional colored plain walls. They are constantly transforming into a tool for fresh air, personality, and innovation in any living space. That is why we implore you to explore our vast collections of 2023 wallpaper trends to give your room the best look. Need help with how to incorporate wallpaper designs into your room? No stress. We will work you through the design options and trends you can't resist. Don't be afraid to start small. Start with your powder or coffee room and let your creative mind flow. Regardless of the room size or purpose, a wallpaper design always fits the occasion. Design options can vary from elegant floral wallpaper for your living room to geometric design for your home office or textured patterns for your library. Here are our 7 top wallpaper trending for 2023. 1. Floral elegance. Blossoming patterns taking over. Floral wallpapers feature elegantly arranged flower patterns that add sophistication to your home walls. These trending wallpaper 2023 include designs that mimic flowery patterns, trees, leaves, and branches that are carefully integrated into the walls of your homes. It can be creatively added to your bed backdrop to give it that rich depth and create the desired romantic atmosphere. Floral designs are also great for your living rooms, kitchen, study, and more. Its creative uses are boundless. Check out our floral trending wallpapers. 2. Geometric symmetry. Modern lines and shapes. Style your interior space with geometric designs and intriguing patterns. These designs use symmetrical patterns and shapes with contrasting colors that give your room a sophisticated and modern look. Geometric wallpaper works best when it is used as a room's focal point. For instance, integrating it on the wall of your bed backdrop or kitchen backsplash makes this room look quite sophisticated. They are fast becoming the latest trends in wallpaper. Check out our recommendation on the latest geometric wallpaper designs. 3. Nature-inspired. Bringing the outdoors in. Nature-inspired wallpaper trends have always been one of the top choices for interior designers. These murals and wallpaper integrate natural imagery such as landscapes, mist, clouds, and other phenomena. You can also customize your favorite outdoor moments so that you are constantly reliving your best times. The best way to utilize this design is by creatively using them as focal points in your bedrooms or living room. Here are some of our nature-inspired trending flower wallpaper. 4. Minimalist luxe. Subtle patterns with a touch of opulence. More people are turning to minimalist wallpaper 2023 trends for styling their homes. These designs promote simplicity and orderliness in the home. It is great for newbies looking to take their first steps as interior designers. Furthermore, its simplicity doesn't mean a lack of creative options for this design. They can be creatively used to add texture and calmness to your home. One can explore a solid monochromic design or opt for a more luxurious metallic mixture. Newbies can explore current wallpaper trends on Walmar's page here. 5. Abstract artistry. Creative expression on your walls. Another of the latest wallpaper trends in modern times is the abstract wallpaper. They are the right choice for your home if you are looking to add that artistic touch to your space. Abstract designs are a clear deviation from symmetrical designs and have no clear interpretation, shape, or pattern. Rather, these designs inspire creativity in the room, making them perfect for the office and library. You can now explore some of the most creative abstract wallpaper on Walmart. 6. Texture, touch, depth and dimension in wallpaper. Texture wallpapers and murals are a great way to spice up your room. They are great for adding depth and extra dimension to the space, making the room appear much bigger and beautiful. Our newbie readers can start their design with plain texture stripes wallpaper or go for patterned texture for their walls. Textured wallpaper can also be used for focal walls. Explore a wider range of textured designs to spark inspiration for your upcoming project, be it brick, tile, or concrete-themed wallpapers. 7. Sustainable choices, eco-friendly wallpaper options. One of the best trending wallpapers is eco-friendly wallpapers. These are wallpaper made from recyclable materials, including natural fibers, bamboo, cork, and wood veneer. Eco-friendly wallpapers are a sustainable option for our environment. We recommend you explore more sustainable wallpaper options on Walmart's official site. How to incorporate trending wallpapers in your space. Wallpapers can do many things in your space, and you can learn many creative ways to incorporate them. Begin by asking yourself what you aim to achieve with your planned design. Other factors to consider include room type, architectural design, lighting, and color. Here are some examples of ways you can incorporate wallpapers in your home. 1. Living room transformation. Focal walls and accents. Dark floral Dutch bouquet with tulips. Accents involve designing the focal wall with a different color, wallpaper, material, or design so that the focal wall stands out. Accents are a great way of transforming the living room into an aesthetic theater. Colorfully themed designs, floral wallpapers, and even geometric designs have been popularly used to decorate the living room. However, there is no limit to the design style you can employ to transform your living room. Check out some of our living room wallpapers and murals. 2. Bedroom Bliss. Creating a relaxing atmosphere. Ginkgo leaf wallpaper mural. Wallpapers can transform your room into an aesthetically pleasing and blissful space that you can always come back to after a long, hectic day. The best place to start your designs is on the roof. Many people neglect the rooftop of their room, but their effect on adding that relaxing atmosphere cannot be overemphasized. You can also go for floral designs at the backdrop of your bed to add that aesthetically pleasing look. Or pick more colorful themes for your children's room. It all depends on your taste and preference. You can't go wrong with adding wallpapers to your bedrooms. 3. Kitchen and dining. Enhancing the heart of your home. Vintage rose flower wallpaper. The kitchen and dining room represent the heart of every home. It is a place where the family can eat and have a good time. Your kitchen doesn't have to look boring and plain. The best way to spice it up is to incorporate quality wallpapers and murals on the walls. You can add personality to your kitchen with a creative wallpaper backsplash, although, you want to make sure these wallpapers are at least water resistant. Additionally, using bright wallpapers in the dining room helps draw out the tiles' color and add life to the room. Check out some creative wallpaper trends for 2023. 4. Home office revamp. Inspiring creativity and productivity. Black political world map wallpaper. Your office doesn't have to be designed to be boring or plain. There are so many wallpaper trends 2023 that can be incorporated to spice up your office. Not only do these wallpapers inspire life in your office, but they also help improve creativity and productivity. In our experience, geometric wallpapers are a great design to revamp your office. You may also choose to use nature-inspired wallpapers if your aim is to add more tranquility to your office. However, integrating dark and busy themed wallpaper may not be suitable for your home office. You can visit our store for wallpaper designs to incorporate in your office. Personalization and balance are very important when styling your space with wallpapers. One should strive to balance several of the room's features. Jared Spool said it best when he described the importance of balance. Good design, when it's done well, becomes invisible. It's only when it's done poorly that we notice it. Think of it as a room's air conditioning. We only notice it when it's too hot, too cold, making too much noise, or the unit is dripping on us. Yet, if the air conditioning is perfect, nobody says anything, and we focus, instead, on the task at hand. Experiences, and beliefs. Personalization is a testament to individual creativity, especially in the era of mass production of generic wallpapers and murals. Trending wallpapers are a gateway to infusing your unique story into your living spaces. They offer a canvas for self-expression and allow you to transcend the ordinary. Remember, a well-designed room is a reflection of balance, where each element coexists in harmony. Now, children can connect to their rooms with their favorite heroes and cartoons designed on their walls. You can have inspirational quotes on your home's wallpaper to keep you feeling positive. Conclusion: interior design is more than just choosing from trend wallpapers online. It takes practical effort to blend your emotional experience with creativity and balance all of these with the room's built-in features. For instance, nature lovers may love to try nature-inspired wallpaper designs for their homes because they feel more comfortable with them.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.